Good afternoon, everybody. Just wanted to say that I'm Geeta Jain, head of school for Chaman Bhartiya School. Chaman Bhartiya School is part of an integrated, second largest integrated township in the country, and Chaman Bhartiya School is the soul of the Bhartiya city. Bhartiya city, of course, has many other. It has a mall, it has shopping complexes, but it also has our school. And as a school, we are a 5-year-old school, and as a part of 5-year school, I think we have both the national and the international curriculum. And as a national and international curriculum, we believe that our children need to be future ready. And as part of being future ready, what we do in our school is ensure that leadership and technology are part of what is embedded into our curriculum, into our day-to-day life. And if you look at we believe in the philosophy of makers of leader, and because of that, event like Tinkerfest makes a whole lot of difference to. So this is the third year we are hosting the fest, and as part of the fest, we have had today children from about many cities, and about 30 22 schools from about 300 students are participating in this fest. And we have about 8 big technology events, which include Shark Tank. We have investment of about 5 lakhs coming in, so which is actually getting children ready for investment and becoming an entrepreneur. Along with that, we had Formula One racing, where children have 3D printed their cars, designed it, and that went on for racing. That was hugely exciting. Then we had drone race. That was another fantastic event what we saw in the morning. And now the afternoon session is going to be a lot about sumo robo competition. Then we are also going to have submarine competitions. So, and then we also have uh, Lego League. So I think these were extremely exciting. So we have children starting from grade 6 to grade 12 taking part, and the phenomenal success what we have seen so far has been amazing. But Shark Tank, I think, is at the heart of what is going on. It started in the morning at 10 o'clock, and it still continues to go on, and sharks are continuing to invest, and we are super proud of what we have done. And I think this is a journey we will continue to take forward as a Tinkerfest, because I think we've already created a USP for what we believe in with technology and leadership.
We came back yesterday, and we're really excited to visit this program. There is a little collaboration with Shaman Bhartiya School and our Lyceum. We came from Russia. We came from southern part of our country. It's so-called Ust-Labinsk. It's Krasnodar region. And we developing some project scientific research in our school. So it's a great inspiration for us to visit such Tinkerfest, because there are a lot of different projects. So we are really excited.